Today I'm going to show you how to block and remove ads from the Facebook and Messenger apps. First, let's talk about why you see ads on Facebook. They're based on your activity and interest, but if you want to block or manage them, I'll show you how. To block ads on Facebook, open the Facebook ad and scroll to an ad that you want to block. Let's say this one. Tap on the three dots and simply you can choose on hide all the ads like this. You can also choose why am I seeing this ad to choose the and adjust your preferences. Likewise, on Messenger, you can see these are the type of ads that you can find on Messenger app. Simply swipe and click on more. You can simply report ad. You can simply type in or tap on whichever is suiting. Simply click on submit. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to block and remove ads from Facebook and Messenger. Now, this type of ads will not be shown on your Messenger and Facebook.